Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be applying an effect on this picture, on the face. Precisely, we're only working on the face of the picture and nothing else. And we are going to be placing a map on her face, and it's supposed to look realistic. So without much further ado, let's get started. Now, as we have opened the picture, we will bring in what we want to apply on the face of this picture. So we'll go where we kept that thing, and it's a map. We'll go to the desktop and bring it inside the software. So we'll scale it and keep it where it should look nice on the picture. Let's resize it by holding Ctrl and alternate on your keyboard as you hold by the side and drag. We'll reduce the opacity to make sure it sits or position how we want it to be. Once you are okay with the positioning, you bring the opacity back to 100. So now change the blending mode from normal to multiply. And as you can see, the work is already done, but we need to remove some areas that are off her face so that it will look realistic. So for you to do that, add a layer mask by clicking on the image, then clicking on layer mask. Good. Now make sure you are painting in black as you select the brush tool. Use the bracket keys on the keyboard to increase or reduce the size of the brush. Make sure your hardness is around 40 something. We'll keep our flow 50 something and we'll allow our opacity to remain 100. Now paint to the areas that you would like to remove. Gently paint to the areas that you would love to remove. Now hit the Z key on your keyboard to zoom closely on the face. Now hit the B on your keyboard to go back to the brush tool. Use the bracket keys on your keyboard to reduce and still increase the size of the brush so as you can carefully paint around the face. Now we will have to also remove the areas on the face, on the lips, and also on the nose. So we'll just reduce the hardness. and now you're done. This is how you can easily place an effect on the picture in Affinity Photos. Thank you for watching. Peace.